All right, I'm just going to show you really quickly something about hosting Blooket. So if you're unfamiliar with Blooket, something that you can do is click on Discover, and you can just search for some fun things. If you're looking for content, if you want some science content, if you search for my name, Mrs. Jenkins, it will pull up all of the sets that I have, and you will see all the options that you have available from sets that I have. And you go down here, you can do scroll more. I have a lot for anatomy and also some in 7th grade slash like biology type sciences. But if I look at my own sets here, I'm going to open this one. Also, just a quick reminder, in settings, you can add a referrer, so you could put my name. If you are so inclined, that would be awesome. All right, so let's look at this one. When you're ready and you have the set chosen, you're going to click host. If you click solo, that's going to play on your own, so you can practice. Okay, so let's click host. When you click host, you have several game modes to choose from. If you try and choose Tower of Doom, it's going to say it's only homework. So you can assign this for homework and see if students complete it. Same with Crazy Kingdom. You're only going to be allowed to assign that as homework. Okay. Battle Royale is something that cannot be assigned as homework. That can only be played live in class. Same with racing. Okay. And then there are ones that you can do both. So Classic, again, is another one where you're only going to be able to play that live with the class. So you want to play assign homework, you can do that exclusively with Tower of Doom and Crazy Kingdom. You want to play live in class, you can do Battle Royale, you can do Racing, you can do Classic, and you can do Gold Quest. And then there are some where you can do both. So Tower Defense gives you an option to host or assign for homework. Factory, you can host or assign for homework. And Cafe, same thing. You can assign for homework or host. Okay, so let's look at Factory again, and let's host this one. All right, so when you host, here you have options for the amount of time. So we'll leave this. Allow late joining, just in case a student didn't get to the game before you start it. Allowing late joining will allow them to still get into the game. If you don't want students to know who is who, just assign random names and it just gives them a random name. The reason I don't do this is I check participation. So I just have them use their first name. So let's just click host now, just so you can see what happens. And you're going to have a code. So it gives directions, blooket.com/play, and you can enter the code, or I can copy this join link. So I'm going to do that. All right. And here is the link for the game. So here is me entering at the game. All right. And usually when I am playing with students, I also enter the game. So it's not unusual. All right. For some reason, let's try this again. Let's go. There we go. For some reason, it didn't go through the first time. So see, now I popped up right here. And I can scroll through and choose whatever Blooket I want while I'm waiting for other people. Now, let's see. I'm going to do this. Pull this forward. This is me as a student. And let's push this way. And this is the teacher view. Because if you don't ever play with them, you won't know what it looks like on their end versus what it looks like on your end. Okay? So here is my teacher view. Here is the student view. Okay, so I'm going to click start. All right, so I clicked the wrong answer. All right, so I'm going to choose. There we go. Now I'm going to pick a Blooket. I'm going to pick kind of the one I feel is the best. And again, read that question wrong. Unbelievable. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to pick another one. I see I already have corn, so ideally more corn gives me more bonus. Okay. Oh, look, I have another cow. So I'm going to take it, even though the number isn't that great, I'm going to take it for the adding in bonus. Okay. Okay. So I don't have another corn, so I'm going to pick this. Okay, now, here, let's pick another one of these. Now, I don't like to upgrade a lot, so I'm just going to stick on one and upgrade one just to make it stop harassing me about it. But what I want to do, ideally, is just fill all 10. Okay, so I'm kind of a little bit ignoring it, even though... Okay, got another corn. And again, I'm only going to look at this first one. I'm going to ignore all the other ones just as I'm waiting to be able to get more than 10. Okay. What did I have besides that? Palm tree? There we go. Nothing here, so I'll just take this one. I just need 2 more, then it gets the really good part. And corn, take that. 1 more. Alright, that actually didn't give me anything good. So I'm going to skip it. Here we go. Here's a good one. Take this. Let's replace the last one we got. There we go. Another one of those. Let's replace this one. We're going to kind of go backwards. Oh, skip that one. That didn't have anything good. Now, at this point, here's a good one. That's 19K, so I'll place this one. I'm only going to upgrade these ones. I'm ignoring all of the rest. Okay? So I don't want to waste my money on ones I'm not even going to keep. Okay? Skip this one. It's a 5K. It's not the best, but I'll take it. I can upgrade this one. Remember, any of these that are better, I will upgrade always. $17K, $32K. This is better. So let's replace this one. Remember, any of these that are, these I will replace. I will upgrade, not replace. Oops, clicked the wrong one that time. Okay, there, that's a good one. Place this one. Here are a couple I can upgrade. I'm just watching as any of these ones I'm going to click upgrade if I can. Oh, there's a good one. Place you. Okay. Upgrade that one. Okay, that's a good one. There we go. As I'm getting down to less time, I am not wanting to upgrade because it's going to cause me to lose money, but I will gain a lot faster as long as I can keep it upgraded. So it's less 10 seconds. I'm probably not going to do anything. All right, now here at that last one, I would have chosen like the castle instead of the swords because I had more castles. So eventually I'm going to want to swap those out. At the end, you get to choose your multiplier. It's going to add your tokens. Okay, but that is how you're going to play the factory version. And this, on this side, as the game is being played, you're going to see all of the students' scores and how they're moving around during the course of the game. So that was the teacher view, and that is the student's view.